Guys, if you want to clear your lungs, breathe easier, and actually detox your airways, there's one thing that I tell everyone to take, no matter how old or young you are, and that's Mullein. This plant has been used for centuries to break up mucus and support lung health. Smokers, city dwellers, even people who just want to breathe better, this is for you. I use Better Lungs Mullein Tincture, just 2 full droppers a day, and it helps loosen up all that gunk in your lungs so your body can actually get rid of it. Tap the link now and your lungs will thank you later.